Welcome to Doughvember. That's right, in November you're going to see a lot of great videos about making dough into bread, into rolls, into cookies. So make sure you check out these channels for Doughvember. So Mondays is Linda's Pantries. Tuesday is me, Prepper Potpourri. Wednesday is Jenny Goff. And Thursday is Sutton Disdays. Friday is Tuli Lou Creates. And Saturday is Alderman Farms. Now you make sure you check out all of their channels for the wonderful Doughvember recipes this month. But I'm going to make something I've never made before. I thought I'd do it with you. I'm going to make bread in my air fryer. That's right. I'm going to try this recipe I found. It's making an herbed bread just using your air fryer. I mean, doesn't that sound easy? So let's see if it is. Okay, we have 2 1/4 cups flour, all-purpose flour. We need a 1/2 teaspoon salt. And then we have our spices here. We have 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon dried parsley. Okay, we want to mix this up really well. And to me, a fork is good for doing that. Get these spices all in. You don't want one area more garlicky than another. That looks good. Okay, I have 1 cup of warm water here, about 95 degrees, tap water. And I'm using active dry yeast. And I wanted a 1/2 tablespoonful in here. And then I've just mixed it up well. And now we're going to put it into our flour and other dry ingredients. Add your yeast water and mix well with your dry ingredients. And then I'm going to put it in my mixing bowl. Got my dough hook on. Just going to mix it up. There. Doesn't that look nice? Next part is easy. We're just going to put a damp towel over top and let it rest for 2 hours. Then we'll be back. Okay, let's take off our towel here. Well, I think that's doubled in size, don't you? Now we want to punch it down. Let some of that air out. If you were here, you could hear it going psst, 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 psst. Oh, it smells garlicky. Okay, so I have my little, I think they call it a cake barrel, my air fryer accessory. I have it lined with parchment paper that I cut out, and I have some flour on top of that. And now we're going to put the bread on top. Okay. Probably should have put flour on my hands, a little sticky. Okay. Okay. There we go. We're going to sprinkle a little flour on top. Okay. There we go. So we're going to leave this alone for another 30 minutes. Do you have a detachable basket? And you know you have your bottom bin? Then you want to put in 3 tablespoons of water in the bottom. If you don't have it, don't worry. This just makes it a little crustier. And we're going to put our other basket in. If you don't have a bottom basket, don't worry about that. You don't have to put the water in. It just helps give it a crustier crust. Now we just want to preheat at 400 degrees for 4 minutes. And then we'll put our dough in. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. We're going to pull it out. Put in our bread. And then set it for, you know, I'm only going to do 10 minutes. And we still want it at that 400 degrees. Well, boy, it's a nice firm crust. Huh. I think it's done. Okay, we have it out. Doesn't that look good? We're going to let it cool just a little bit. Okay, I can't wait any longer. I'm going to cut off a little piece so it's still warm. Hear that nice crusty sound? Okay, here's our bread. Put a little butter on it. Doesn't that look good? Okay, time for the taste test. The crust is so nice and crisp. You can taste the spices. Simply delicious and would be great as toast too. I had to try one making toast of it too. You hear that crunch? So good. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my first installment of Doughvember, and you've learned that you can make bread in your air fryer. So make sure to watch every day for our videos all through November, and we'll have wonderful bread making, cookies, and other dough-tastic videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please share the knowledge and subscribe. And check out everybody else's videos too. I left the channel links down below. Thank you.